Here with Boomer at one of his favorite walking places. Such a beautiful boy. Hey, aren't you? Should we go look at that big anthill? Hey? See how big it is this year? Yeah, you remember where it is. Come on, it's over here. Come. There it is. No, wrong direction. Over here, bud. Boomer. Hey. Come. Oh, look at the size of it. Look how big it is. Zoom out a little bit, then we'll zoom in. Well, they're pretty lively there. Not too interested, are you? Hey, not too interested. Come on. Good boy. Hey, you always wait for me. Well, there's another little one. Deer poop, but that's nothing uncommon. There's lots of deer around here. Lots of deer. Seen coyotes here, seen deer, seen moose. Bald eagle, gold eagle. Actually seen bald eagle like 3 times. Well, there's the homeless camp. They can never clean up after themselves, it seems. From the winter, I'm presuming. It doesn't look like anybody's been here recently. There's some more mess over there. Over there, you can kind of see it strewn about. And if we go over here, see some needles strewn on the ground that have been there for like a year now. Because I've been walking here for that long, or longer. I guess the city doesn't consider this a priority. Getting to the needles. There they are. Hey, look at that. I've cleaned needles up before. I don't care to do it again. Always wait for me. You're such a good boy.